Come on, I got your morning bananas. Hey girl, how are you? Let's wait for Speedy here. Come on, Speedy. There you go, girl. Hey, buddy. Good morning. Here you go, buddy. Here's your morning pill. And Luca, here's your morning fake pill. Not my fingers. There you go. So everybody gets a little pre-dinner morning breakfast snack. Cool. Okay, it's Ran and Luca. Ran gets his first because he eats a little slower, even though he says he is enjoying it. Just ready to enjoy your food a little longer. That's a good boy. And then double check the lock so he doesn't wander out. And then Luca, you ready for yours too? Okay, girl. You're a good girl. So patient, you know? Cool. Get you locked up too? If you've ever wondered, this is how horses drink water. They kind of slurp it up between their lips. Whew. Man, that was different. Usually you like the water on your butt. It's okay, buddy. Gotta move over a little so I can get that side. Thank you. Good boy, good boy. Okay, this is your after the shower snack. So you're cooled down. I get a little bit of a snack. Okay, guys. There you go. Good morning, friends. Are we ready for our snacks? Are we a little in the way there? There we go. You gonna do something good for me, Ron? Good boy. How about you, Luca? What you gonna do? A left foot? Good girl. Oh. Gonna do right foot? Good boy, Ron. Now, we were doing some hand feeding yesterday, and somebody made a really good point. That when you hold your hand out flat, try not to keep your thumb out there, because they may want to take a nibble at that. So try to keep your hand tucked. Hold on, back up. So keep your hand kind of tucked together like that and flat. You guys agree? And the other thing is, come in from underneath. When you're feeding the horses, instead of coming up to them like this, come in underneath them. That crunch was not my finger, thankfully. So come in under, let their lips do the work. Luca, come on, girl. I got bananas and strawberries. Strawberry banana. Come on, girl. Hey, Renard. Wow, you're first today. Amazing. Trying to get Luca's attention here. Come on, girl. Hey, buddy. You can wait a second. Wait for the lady. I know, you're a good boy. Good boy. Come on, girl. I'm not kidding. You don't know what this one is, but you know what this is. Okay guys, so again, strawberries and banana. Let's see who likes which better. Let's start with a strawberry. Is that good? Okay, follow it with a banana. I know, super chewy, right? Boy, those are chewy today. Are you ready, girl? Yep, she says, give me some banana, give me some strawberry. What do you think? Like your new morning mixture? Thumbs up?